Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Fruit Ninja 2 account. Deleting your Fruit Ninja 2 account is super easy. First of all, launch the Fruit Ninja 2 app on your device. From the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the main homepage. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, look for the Profile Delete option at the bottom right where it says Delete Profile and tap on it. Deleting your profile will make you lose all the data associated with your account and any purchases as well. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account by clicking OK, and soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your Fruit Ninja account. So that is how easily you can delete your account for Fruit Ninja 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.